thought I'd show you today how I make lemon curd. It's real easy. Here's my final results. Now I can't run you step by step of doing it because I didn't record it when I did it. But it sure tastes yummy. Woo, yummy. Okay, here's how I did it. In my bowl, I mixed a 1/4 cup of butter. I used the salted kind. 1/2 cup of sugar. And I suppose you could use Splenda, although this time around I didn't. I just used regular sugar. 2 eggs. The recipe actually called for 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, but I just didn't have anything to use the other half of the egg, so I just threw in both eggs. I read if you wanted a little thicker, you could add more, another egg yolk. But the 2 egg yolks seem to have worked just fine. And 1/2 cup of lemon juice. And a teaspoonful of, it was supposed to be lemon zest, but I didn't have any lemon zest. I did have orange zest. So I used orange zest, and it's still quite good. I took my whisk and I whisked it all until it was very smooth. Then I got out the metal, you know, the thingy, my Instant Pot, and I put a trivet down in the bottom, 1.5 cups of water, and then I set this bowl down in there. I covered it tightly with aluminum foil, and I wasn't sure that my aluminum foil was as tight as it should have been. So I had a glass lid that fit kind of on top of this to make sure that the aluminum foil was tight. And I put it down in the trivet, on the trivet in the water. I closed up my Instant Pot, set my pressure for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I let it, and I sealed it. After the 10 minutes was over, I just let it sit for another 10 minutes and let it unpressurize naturally. After the 10 minutes, then I went and undid and got rid of the rest of the steam, which by then there wasn't a lot. Then I carefully took it out, whisked it up again, put the lid that's supposed to go to this little dish on it. Well, I let it cool a little bit first, and then I put this lid on it and put it in the refrigerator so it would get cold. In the meantime, I did try a couple spoonsful of it. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy lemon curd. And that's all there is to it. Easy to make. Well, I hope you're having a good day. We've got about 4 or 5 inches of snow on the ground. It went down to 13 degrees last night. And it has warmed up to 20 right now, and it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I doubt if it gets any warmer, and it will cool back down. I think it's supposed to get even colder tonight. So it is winter time. Well, I'll see you on the next video. Be sure and hit the thumbs up. It kind of helps the YouTube algorithm. And until my next video, may the good Lord richly bless you. Bye.